Welcome back to my channel. Today I unbox this Eureka Forbes vacuum cleaner. Eureka Forbes bottom line is your friend for life. Number one vacuum cleaner brand as per Market Plus Pulse data FY 2017 to 18. They claim super clean handy vacuum cleaner for everyday superior cleaning. So let's open it. Tape is very strong. Is maximum retail price 3299 rupees. I hope you can see. And weight is 2.5 kg, motor power 800 watt, suction pressure 160 cm of WC 16 kPa within bracket. Dimension, that is length, breadth and height in centimeter 32.5, 12.5 and 18.5. Voltage 230 VAC and 50 Hz. Noise level below 83 dB. And it helped me to clean curtain, floor, gas stove also, and inflating function. Open this. Tape is very much strong. Now I open this box. It is a booklet. Vacuum cleaner pipe. I think it is a holder. It is a brush like structure. It is a pipe like structure. It is a pipe like structure totally. It is also a brush, I think. It is a brush like structure. Other side, show a switch. If I push this switch, then this brush is come out. And now I switch off, brushes. Insert this portion. And it is a main unit, I think. It is a funnel like structure. I don't know about its function. After 1 to 2 month use, I can know proper function each and every item. It is also a main unit, I think. Red color. Color is also very nice color. I like this color. It has two pipe like structure. One is this and another is this. And it is also a pipe like structure, though you can, or I can move it. It has attached switch also. Brush. After read this booklet, I hope I know all function of this piece. Then I can give a review of this Eureka Forbes vacuum cleaner. I am happy with this. In this space I cannot reach, or my hand can't reach in this corner. I use this vacuum cleaner. I think after read out this booklet, I can use this vacuum cleaner properly. It is a warranty card, 1 year warranty. And in this booklet, here product description they also give here. They give total information about each parts of this vacuum cleaner. Troubleshooting guide, problem, possible cause, suggested remedy, specification, safety, care and maintenance, warning to avoid the risk of fire, electric shock or personal injury, below attention. I think it is customer care number they give us here with happy smile. Color is same on top and within box. Actual body color is same. Forbes Live Positive. Thank you for watching my videos.